Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saokar Navale. My clinic, World Class Dental Clinic, is located on FC Road in Pune. So today I am making this video about baking soda. Most of the patient ask us whether baking soda helps in teeth whitening. So I am going to talk about it today. So baking soda, whenever we consider it, the nature of baking soda, basically it is in alkaline nature and salty in nature. So it is helpful in removing the stains which are acid based. Now acid based stains are mostly related to tea, coffee, red wine. So baking soda can help to lighten those stains which are acid based related to tea, coffee, red wine and etc. Plus it is mildly abrasive. Abrasive means when we consider any substance as a abrasive, we count the size of the granules, granules inside that substance. So it is mildly abrasive. So abrasive particles may remove the extrinsic stains on the tooth surface, that is outer surface of tooth, that is enamel. So last video also I spoke about there are two types of stain, intrinsic stains and extrinsic stains. When we are talking about intrinsic stains, those are inside the tooth surface, like inside the enamel, that is because of the some developmental abnormalities or the drugs or because of the trauma. Most of the time because of the accident, tooth become non-vital. Okay, and when they become non-vital, that time they become slightly brownish in color or pinkish in color. In such cases, those intrinsic stains can't be removed by baking soda, but it can help to remove the extrinsic stains which are related to tea, coffee or the wine, or related to smoking, because those are outside, those are on the surface, on the enamel. So because of the abrasive nature, it can reduce those stains. Second thing, whether it is safe to use for long term use. It's not safe since it has abrasive nature. It might wear off the enamel surface. And second thing, it doesn't contain fluoride. So since it is not containing any type of fluoride, it is not going to give that anti-cavity effect to the tooth surface, or it doesn't contain fluoride, it is not going to strengthen the enamel. That because of that, long term use of baking soda is not recommended because of its abrasive nature, and second, it doesn't contain fluoride. So that's all about the baking soda, whether it whitens the teeth and whether it's safe to use. Thanks for watching my channel guys. Bye bye, take care.